Are you tired of struggling with underpowered drills that can't keep up with your projects? Whether you're a weekend DIYer hanging shelves, a homeowner tackling repairs, or a pro who needs reliable tools on the job site, the right drill makes all the difference. But with so many models on the market, different voltages, sizes, and features, finding the perfect one can feel overwhelming. That's where we come in. Today we've rounded up the top 5 cordless drills that combine power, precision, and value. From compact designs that squeeze into tight spaces to heavy-duty beasts built for serious jobs, this list covers every need and every budget. Stick around until the end, because our number one pick is not only versatile and powerful, but it might just replace multiple tools in your arsenal. If you've ever asked yourself, which drill is really worth my money? This video will give you the clear answer. Number 5. Craftsman CMCD 700C1. If you're searching for a budget-friendly drill that still gets the job done, the Craftsman V20 CMCD 700C1 is a solid pick. It's affordable, but don't let the price fool you. This drill has the power and precision to handle everyday home projects with ease. Whether you're hanging shelves, assembling furniture, or working on small renovations, it offers just the right amount of strength without being overly heavy. That balance makes it especially appealing for homeowners or DIY enthusiasts who want a reliable tool without overspending. Another highlight is its user-friendly design. The battery swaps out easily, the life indicator is conveniently placed, and the half-inch chuck means you aren't limited to tiny drill bits. It's practical, straightforward, and designed to make your weekend projects smoother and faster. Now, if you're planning to build an entire cordless tool collection, this may not be the best system to start with since Craftsman's tool ecosystem is more limited compared to giants like DeWalt or Milwaukee. But if you just need a dependable drill at a price that won't break the bank, the Craftsman V20 is a fantastic choice. It proves that you don't always have to pay top dollar for quality results. Number 4. DeWalt DCD794B. When you think of power, precision, and durability in one compact tool, the DeWalt Atomic DCD794B immediately comes to mind. This drill driver is built for versatility, strong enough to handle demanding jobs, yet lightweight enough for everyday tasks around the home or workshop. With its brushless motor and efficient design, it packs serious torque into a frame that's easy to carry and maneuver. What makes this model stand out is the complete package it brings. You get the drill, a reliable battery, charger, belt hook, and even a carrying bag. For anyone looking to start or expand their DeWalt tool collection, this kit is a smart investment since the battery is compatible with a wide range of DeWalt's cordless tools. Add to that 15 clutch settings for ultimate control, and you're looking at a drill that adapts to whatever task you throw at it, whether you're working with wood, metal, or smaller household projects. Another thoughtful touch is the integrated LED light, which makes a huge difference when you're working in dim corners or late at night. And with the battery level indicator, you'll never have to guess how much juice is left. All in all, the DeWalt Atomic DCD794B is compact, powerful, and practical. A tool that both beginners and seasoned pros will appreciate. Number 3. Bosch PS31-2A. If you're looking for a drill that's compact, affordable, and reliable for everyday projects, the Bosch PS31-2A is a perfect choice. Designed with a pistol grip style and weighing just over 2 pounds, this drill feels comfortable in hand and is easy to maneuver, even in those tight spaces where larger tools simply can't reach. This 12-volt drill isn't built for massive construction jobs, but that's not the point. It's ideal for homeowners, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts who want something powerful enough for furniture assembly, light repairs, or small improvement projects around the house. Its lightweight build means you can work longer without fatigue, and its compact size makes storage a breeze, whether on your tool bench or tucked into a drawer at home. Another highlight is its ergonomic design. Bosch focused on making this drill not only practical, but also enjoyable to use. From hanging shelves to drilling pilot holes, the PS31-2A gives you just the right amount of power without overcomplicating things. And since it's cordless, you get the freedom to move around without being tied down by cables. In short, the Bosch PS31-2A delivers excellent value for anyone who wants a budget-friendly yet trustworthy drill. It's simple, effective, and a great addition to any home toolkit. Number 2. Milwaukee 2903-20. If you're looking for a drill that combines raw power with professional-grade design, The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2903-20 is a standout choice. Built for heavy-duty performance, this drill delivers the strength and reliability that both DIY enthusiasts and professionals demand. What makes it special is its ability to handle even the toughest jobs with ease. From drilling through dense materials to driving large fasteners, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel has the muscle to back you up. At the same time, it includes smart safety features like an auto stop lock, which prevents accidents by shutting down the drill when it binds. This thoughtful touch makes it as safe as it is powerful. It also comes with everything you'd expect from a premium tool: a bright LED light for dark workspaces, a sturdy belt clip for easy carrying, and a 2-speed control system to give you flexibility whether you need precision or brute strength. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort even during long sessions, while its robust battery capacity keeps you working without frequent interruptions. Yes, it's slightly heavier than some other drills, and it comes at a higher price, especially since the battery and charger are often sold separately. But for those who want a long-term, high-performance investment, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel more than justifies its cost. It's not just a drill, it's a dependable partner for serious projects. Number 1. DeWalt CD703F1. Compact, versatile, and surprisingly powerful, the DeWalt Extreme 12-volt 5-in-1 drill driver kit proves that big performance doesn't always require a big, bulky tool. Designed with reduced weight and a slim profile, this drill is a dream for anyone working in tight spaces, overhead areas, or awkward angles where a traditional drill just won't fit. Its real magic lies in the 5-in-1 attachment system, giving you the freedom to adjust angles and positions effortlessly. Whether you're tackling home improvement projects or professional tasks in confined areas like attics or crawl spaces, this kit adapts to your needs. Don't let the 12-volt rating fool you. It rivals higher voltage drills when it comes to everyday drilling and driving power. The lightweight build makes it comfortable for longer use, while its compact design ensures it won't hog space in your toolbox. DeWalt also engineered it with precision and convenience in mind, so even though it's small, it delivers reliable results across a wide variety of tasks. While the kit only includes a single battery and the chuck maxes out at 3/8 inch, these are minor trade-offs considering the portability, adaptability, and ease of use this drill offers. If you're looking for a versatile drill that can handle most household and light professional tasks without weighing you down, the DeWalt Extreme 12-volt 5-in-1 is a fantastic choice. And that wraps up our list of the best 5 cordless drills you can get right now. Each of these brings something unique, whether it's power, portability, or versatility. Which drill stood out to you the most? Drop your pick in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next buying guide. Thanks for watching.